You are?
Sergeant Mike Blair, Pierce County Sheriff's Department.
And what happened here today?
It's a private air show out here at the South Prairie Airport. There was a GyroCopter experimental aircraft that was making a takeoff, got about 100 feet in the air. An airplane not involved with the air show made a flyby, dropped some smoke. The gyrocopter pilot saw it, made an invasive maneuver, and lost control of his aircraft and it crashed. So 2 people on board, the pilot and a female, both taken to a local hospital for precautionary reasons, no serious injury. FAA is en route, should be here shortly for their investigation.
From my understanding, only one person was transported. Is that not the case?
One person went. One person did not need transport. However, that person chose to go with the other occupant just because they're significant other.
Do we know if either of these people were residents of this park out here?
That I'm not sure.
What is the status of the injury?
Possible broken bone, more or less precautionary reasons at this time. We'll know more for a little bit later, probably.
And the cause, was anything that was like unsafe or some sort of...
At this point, we have isolated the aircraft and left it in the condition that it was when first responders got here so the FAA can do their investigation. I don't know the condition of the plane, how it was before it was flying, but right now it's totaled.
So the dropping of the smoke, I'm sure that was like some sort of, an event for this afternoon or whatever, but is that maybe ill-timed or something relative to all this?
I'm not sure yet. All I know is that was one of the causes in this crash is that the pilots saw the shadow of that and then made a maneuver to get away from it and then lost control.